Welcome to another edition of Open MIC. I'm Mark Murphy, CEO of Atlatl Software, joined today by our Creative Director, Jeremy Batts. Today we're going to be talking about 3D and visualization technology, but really the platforms behind that and what's the power of using different visualization technologies. Jeremy, obviously, we've decided to build on Unity, and one of the few companies that's using a gaming platform for non-gaming technology. And it gives us a certain amount of freedom and capabilities for our customers and for our developers. But I want you to talk about a little bit about what capabilities has the choice of that platform given both how we deploy that to our B2B customers and the capabilities that gives us to do things that other platforms can't get done.
Sure. Well, first and foremost, it's the fact that it's a real-time rendering engine. It affords us the ability to manipulate things as you would in a game in real time. So where in the past we may have been kind of tethered to the abilities of the CAD software and the processes that were required to set up configurations within that software is rather complicated, and you need an engineer to do so. And then being able to deploy that to a public space for somebody else to actually manipulate those products was, I wouldn't say not possible, but probably not of value at the sales process. Right. So rendering in real time with the game engine, we're able to translate the engineering rules of those products into a graphic that represents the product probably even in a more realistic way. It affords us materials that are not typically found in the CAD software. We're able to take advantage of the PBR type materials in the industry, giving extremely realistic visuals. Tethered to that with our ability to kind of fluidly code those engineering rules underneath those products. Right. Lets us develop a product that is visually astounding. I think it wows the customer base, but then also gives us that flexibility to manipulate those meshes in real time to produce configurations that are valuable. And then on top of that, being able to deploy to multiple platforms. We typically was an iOS company. We deployed to iPads as our main hardware set, and now we quite easily have been moving over to WebGL, iOS still, Android. Right. And it just gives us a much broader flexibility in producing our product.
So on the customer side, a really immersive sales experience.
Absolutely.
But mapped to a lot of deep engineering capability that can flow all the way to the shop floor. Yep. For our manufacturing customers.
Absolutely.
Great, thank you.
Sure.
We'd love to continue this discussion. Please reach out to us at atlatlsoftware.com.